A lot of growers jump straight to seeds. The farms that last treat growing as 5 connected steps, not one shopping cart and not one app that tries to do everything on day one. Plant Mood is organized around design, build, manage, operate, and finally eat or sell. This video is the map of the entire platform. The other videos in this series zoom into each part. This one shows how they connect and in what order you should learn them. Step 1 is design. Everything starts with the farm designer at plantmood.farm/tools/farm-designer. Free, no login required. Place racks, towers, and NFT channels on a 2D grid. Draw water paths in pipe mode, add pumps, reservoirs, and electrical runs. Flip to 3D preview. The sidebar shows tray capacity, pipe length, flow rate, power draw, and rough cost estimates. Save or export when you sign in. The How to Start tutorial can open the designer preloaded with your structure template. Step 2 is build. 3 pages turn the plan into action. DIY Builds gives step-by-step workshop guides with materials tables and shopping links per row. Buy Equipment curates product recommendations filtered by setup and region. Starter kits points beginners at all-in-one bundles. Your designer output tells you how much. The build pages tell you what to buy or build. Free tools support design and build decisions without signing in. Light simulator for mounting height, nutrient calculator for reservoir dosing, harvest calendar for cut dates, and profit calculator for margin modeling. Use them between steps 1 and 2. Step 3 is manage. Sign in and create a farm from your saved design. The farm manager is the professional stack. Grow recipes, standardized stages, and environment targets. Batches are live tray cycles tied to recipes and floor positions. Orders connect customer demand to production. Manual sales, recurring standing orders, and shop checkouts in one queue. Tasks are the daily rhythm with due dates and batch links. Inventory tracks seeds, nutrients, and packaging. Finances logs sales, expenses, and recurring bills. Analytics charts yield, margin, and channel performance. Labels and QR codes bridge physical packaging to digital batch pages. My shop is your public storefront. This is where a business lives. Not essential on day one, but indispensable once you sell regularly. Step 4 is operate. The farm operator is your floor plan on a phone. Your saved design becomes a live map. Pan and zoom the room. Tap a rack, tower, or channel position to see which batch sits there, what stage it should be in, and update its status in place. Germination, blackout, underlights, harvest now. Color coding surfaces mistakes. A tray under lights when it should be in blackout is visible from across the aisle. Step 5 is eat or sell. 2 exits from the same harvest. My kitchen ties real batches to dish recipes, nutrition profiles, and a ready-to-eat view for trays approaching harvest, useful for home growers and chefs alike. My shop publishes a catalog, handles customer inquiries, and gives you a public URL you can share on Instagram, Line, or restaurant menus. Shop orders flow back into the manager for fulfillment. Seed Hub is a bonus marketplace for buying or selling seed within the community. The dashboard sits above all of this. A starter checklist, a batch Gantt timeline, and a farm snapshot. Team Access lets you share the platform with staff. You do not have to activate every module on day one, but knowing the 5-step order stops expensive detours. Plantmood.farm is the start. The description links the How to Start page and the farm designer if you want to open step 1 right now.